Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Mama's Kitchen. And today we are going to cook up crispy curry chicken wings in the air fryer. Yay! So here's my chicken. I have my seasoning all out. So what I put on the chicken is actually a mixture of black pepper, cumin, curry powder, a couple of shakes of this cardamom. Oh, I'm saying that right. I don't use this too often, guys, but it's very strong, so you only need a couple shakes. And the same thing with the Himalayan pink salt. Only a couple shakes of that. Then that's it. So I put that on my chicken. And of course I have an egg wash. What's in the egg is 1 egg, a little bit of buttermilk, and some more curry powder because the curry is the star of this dish, guys. And a couple of shakes of cinnamon and allspice. Okay? What we have in this flour mix, which is not flour actually, it's just the a little bit of cornstarch here, baking powder, and then I also wanted some smoked paprika in here, a little bit more curry powder, again, star of the dish, guys, star of the dish. And I just mix it all up in a bowl. Now usually I would take my chicken, dip it in the egg wash, and mix it up, which let's go ahead and do now. But instead of shaking it up in a Ziploc bag or the breader bowl, I'm actually going to mix this up a little bit and then dump the cornstarch and baking powder in the same bowl because I just want a light coating today. I don't want a thick coating, but I do want it to get crispy, and I do want the curry to star again in the dish. So let me get this all ready and apply the powder in the bowl. And I'll be right back and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so we're back. So this is what we come up with. Now remember, usually when you're using cornstarch, is to thicken up like your gravy or homemade gravy. So I hope I didn't go a little bit overboard. And I did, again, put buttermilk in my egg wash, which is what I typically do for fried chicken. But it's looking a little wet. Hopefully I still get the results I'm looking for. It smells really good. The season looks like it's sticking very well. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this loaded up in the air fryer, and we'll be right back and see how it turns out. Now guys, I do preheat my air fryer for about 10 minutes because I do want it to, start off hot. So that will change the way, how long you cook your wings for. I'm going to go for about 16 minutes. I'm going to flip them or check them in about 8 and see how they turn out. And then this time I'm also trying to add a couple to the bottom. You can't see, but they're underneath the rack. And I'm going to see how they cook just directly on the paper and on top on the rack. Be right back. Okay, y'all. This house smells good. It's not quite, looks like 9 minutes left. So let's go ahead and take a look and check them for flipping. It smells so good. Oh my goodness, look at that. They are flaking up and getting crispy. I think I should flip them now. Or maybe one more coat of spray in 1 more minute. Okay, one more coat of spray, 1 more minute. Be right back. This is looking nice. Okay, let's take another peek. Oh yes, now it's time to flip. Okay guys, so I got them flipped. It was a little bit of a task because remember there's a couple wings underneath. The wings underneath are quite wet. They didn't get that coat of crispiness we saw in these. I'm gonna spray these, pop them back in there, and hope for the best. But we definitely probably would need the rack with this recipe and none directly on the bottom against the paper. All right, see you in a few. All right, that was the bell. Ooh, look at that. Nice sizzle. Golden brown. No flour spots. Okay. All right. See what we got. Ooh, nice and golden. Nice and juicy. All right. Get these plated up and let them cool off. And we'll be right back, guys. Beautiful. Now for the taste test. All right, let me go for a flat. They're still kind of hot. Nice and crispy looking. We'll see how it turns out. Oh, it's still hot. Y'all see that smoke? Still juicy. Ow. Clean and cooked to the bone. Not as crispy as I would like it, but still good. Yeah, that's good. Not as spicy as I would like it, but I didn't add any red pepper flakes like I wanted to. I just wanted to taste the curry, which I do. So for curry lovers, this chicken wings recipe is you'll like it. I wouldn't put the whole egg in the batter. I would only probably use half the egg wash, or you may even want to skip it. And you can just toss the cornstarch as well and just use baking powder to coat it. And there you have it, guys. Not so crispy, but still good curry chicken wings. See you next time in Big Mama's Kitchen.